If you want to turn off Face ID on your iPhone, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is the most up-to-date method and a lot of other tutorials out there are now outdated. Stick with me to the end and follow each step in order. If this helps, consider subscribing. Let's start with turning Face ID off completely. Open your Settings app. That's the gray icon that looks like a mechanical gear. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so go ahead and type it in.
2 seconds later.
Now you'll see a section near the top called Use Face ID for. Under that, you'll see a switch labeled iPhone Unlock. Tap that switch so it turns from green to gray. That's it. The Face ID will no longer unlock your phone and you'll use your passcode instead. Now, if you also want to stop Face ID being used for other things, you'll see more switches in the same list. That includes things like Apple Pay, the iTunes and App Store, password autofill, and other apps that use Face ID. Just tap the switch next to each one you want to turn off. If you want to remove your face data from the phone entirely, scroll down a little further and tap Reset Face ID. This deletes the stored face scan completely, so the phone has no record of your face at all. If you ever change your mind, you can set it up again from the same screen. I hope this video helped, and if it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.